Hello, we're back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. I filmed a bit yesterday, but I have been soaking cashews overnight because I'm gonna make my cashew milk, one of my favorite recipes. Actually, it's from this book that I've been reading. Let me grab it. It's from this book, True Roots, that I love. I actually just bought her second book, Kristen Cavallari's second cookbook, and it should actually be downstairs. I think I got a notification that it was delivered today, so I'm very excited. But I've made other nut milks but never cashew milk, so I really wanted to try it. So I took 1 cup of cashews, soaked them overnight, and now it's time to make some cashew milk. So it's a super simple recipe. Here it is. If you want a screenshot or something, I'll give you a little sneak recipe from her book. But it's supposed to be like super thick, so I thought it'd be great for my espressos because I like using barista nut milk because it makes it like really thick and yummy. So you need 1 cup of cashews soaked for 8 hours or overnight, which is what I did. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of vanilla, which is optional. So drain and rinse cashews, blend them up with 3 cups of water, filtered water, maple syrup and vanilla, and blend. And that's literally the whole recipe. But usually with other nut milks, you have to strain them out. Like with almond milk and with oat milk, you need to strain it because it's really chunky. But apparently with cashew milk, you don't need to strain it. So we're gonna see. Get my blender out. All right, I'm gonna drain out my cashews. They look a little gnarly. Now I'm gonna rinse them. Drain and rinse, place in the high-powered blender with 3 cups of filtered water. Maple syrup, 2 tablespoons. Maple syrup, oops, sorry. 1, 2. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Blend on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Store in glass for up to 5 to 7 days. It stopped automatically, so I think the blender thinks it's done. It might still be a little chunky, but I don't really care that much, so I'm gonna pour it into my little cup. I'm nervous about this part. Oh, there's definitely some chunky bits up here. Tastes delicious. Okay. It's so creamy. Oh my gosh, not a chunky bit in sight. It looks so great. Ooh, it smells almost like cream. And also a little bit like baby formula, to be honest. Wow, it makes a lot. This was just 1 cup of cashews. Wow. Look at her. I'm so excited. Look how cute. Shall we do a real taste test? It really looks like the consistency of whole milk. It tastes really good. 10 out of 10. Look how healthy and shiny my hair is looking. And I swear it's grown.
Thank you. You can see it from the roots.
Like almost down to my butt now. But look how shiny and healthy. All right, time to go to the gym. No more distractions, Dan. Hey guys, okay, so we just went to the gym and we did shoulders and a little bit of upper body today, and then I came back, did some abs at home, and like I was saying, my hair right now like looks a little crazy because I showered after the gym, but I didn't wash my hair, so it was like up in a bun and has a little bit of sweat in it. So not now, but my hair has been feeling so healthy. I have been working on making and using some hair products myself, especially like oiling and like a pre-wash oil. So I can talk all about that maybe in a different video, but I have been noticing such a difference. My hair is growing, it feels healthy, it feels great. And So yeah, I can share that with you guys in another video. We just worked out, then I took a cold shower. I've been really liking to take a cold shower after my workout because I'm all hot. I do like cold water on my face in the morning and it makes me feel amazing. And then I do cold shower like really quick when I'm only doing a body shower, not when I'm washing my hair, but when I'm only doing a body shower every day after the gym. I like doing a very quick cold shower. So I've been doing that and I feel lovely. So did a cold shower, and now, oh, and then of course my favorite ever Necessaire body lotion. This one's fragrance free. I actually am so mad at how much I like this. Like I can't live without it now, and I use it every day. And I'm going through it quick. Like the bottle feels full, but actually like this is my new bottle and it's already like almost empty. So, but I think there's a Sephora sale going on the past couple days, if you didn't know. If you're just like an insider, I think it started today, but I'm going to buy some more, stock up, get some back stock using the % off because this is sold at Sephora as well. So I'm gonna do that tonight, but we're gonna order dinner. I put on my cozy silk pajamas. These are one of my favorites. They're from ASOS. They're like lobsters. I just love pink and red together. I think it's very cute. These are shorts and my slippers. Oh, and clothes I need to put away. Don't look at those, okay? And so we're gonna order dinner, relax. We've been watching our new favorite show, Grand Tour. So if you know, you know, but finding shows that you and your boyfriend both like is very difficult. And I'm not a car person. I live in New York City. I don't have a car. I don't drive. It's been a while since I've driven actually, but I grew up in Connecticut, so I do have a driver's license. I haven't driven in a while and I don't like cars particularly, but we have been watching the show Grand Tour, which is on Amazon, and it's kind of a spin-off of Top Gear, which ran for a very long time. A lot of dads watch it, but I love British humor and we watch a lot of British shows. So this is one of them, and there's 3 guys. They talk about cars, but they do like different trips in different cars, and I really just watch it because I like their personalities, but it's a great show and I'm really excited to watch it. Very light and easy. Well, they make some harsh jokes to be honest, but I love it. So give it a try. Top Gear, there's like 20 seasons, but Grand Tour is on Amazon and it's really good. And the ones where they go on trips are the best. So if you need a new show, especially one with your boyfriend, if he likes cars and you like funny people, check it out because it's really funny. Okay, but now we're gonna order dinner and I'm starving, so I can't wait. Got some Wagamama for dinner. One of my favorites ever. Bao buns. Looks like maybe a little less spicy this time. Bang bang cauliflower. And this steak bulgogi bowl with noodles and kimchi and an egg. And yum, one of my favorites. Love Wagamama. My chopsticks. I'm trying a new Spindrift. The raspberry lime. I've never tried before. Yeah, fake berry flavor I think tastes chemically, but this is real raspberry. I still like the blackberry better, but this one is good too. Nice bao bun. No. Bao buns. They're one of my favorite things. Oh yeah.
And I'm going to do the background of the show.
Oh right. Made my cookies. They're delicious. I put them in this little glass container. Honestly, I really want another one, but I'm not gonna do it. Those will be gone within like 2 days. I'm going to make my ginger lemon tea. It's like hot water. Before I do my skincare, I'm going to do a little ice roll because my face is feeling very warm and puffy. I keep this in my freezer. It feels so nice. I have like a big breakout right here. I like to do this before bed or in the morning. If you can hear my dishwasher, I always run my dishwasher before bed. Yeah, like at the end of the day. Also, I'm wearing my hair like this because I like to wear my hair in like protective ways while I sleep. So either like a braid or something to stop like all the friction. I also sleep with silk pillowcases, so that just protects your hair, you know, when you sleep, because you know I move around a lot and it can be damaging. So I didn't feel like braids because I want my hair straight tomorrow, or just like natural. This is my natural hair. So I just did 2 little pigtails. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. This is pretty strong. So like, whoa, that's good. A little bit of, oh, that's a lot. A little bit of honey. My hot water. And drinking this before bed really helps with like bloating, feeling healthier. I just feel better when I drink it. So I'm gonna drink this, get in bed. I think I'll pick this vlog up tomorrow. I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning from me and my cute little pimple patch right here. I have just woken up. Well, I've been awake for a little while. I like to like kind of hang out in bed and have my coffee and relax, but I'm gonna make a smoothie bowl now. I'm very excited. I haven't had one in a while. Cherries. I do have some berries. Okay, I'm gonna do this berry. A frozen banana. I always put in some spinach, coconut water. For a bowl, you only want to do like a little bit of water to keep it kind of icy. And just, it takes some time to blend it, but it will blend. All right, on top, I'm gonna put chia seeds, flax seeds, my homemade granola, a cut up banana, and some shredded coconut. Also maybe some mixed nut butter on top for a little bit of protein.